Carlos Castaneda once said, "Follow the path with heart, because a path without heart is no path at all." And basically what he's saying is, if your heart's not in it, you're not going to go anywhere. You're really not going to make anything happen. And we know what can happen when we've got ourselves on board, when we've put our foot into those new shoes that we're going to boogie on down the road with and actually get something done. Then perhaps we decide, actually that looks quite nice over there. But we doggedly stick to the path that we were on because, well, we made a choice. We have to keep the blinkers on. We have to keep moving forward. However, one of the other things that Mr. Castaneda said was that if you find that the path that you're on no longer has heart, that it's lost heart, then there is no shame in removing yourself from that path and choosing another. It's very much like you give it all and you think, yeah, it's going to be great. It's going to give me all the answers that I need. It's going to be wonderful. And then you discover that your expectations have not quite been met. But you trundle on because you think, oh, people are just going to say, oh, there she goes again, or there he goes again. Not doing anything, starting something and not finishing. Now, I have a little bit of experience with that. I'm very good at starting things. It takes me a little while to get around to finishing them sometimes. But then I get distracted very easily. But then my heart is in the distraction, not in the trudging on. Come along and find out how to open your heart up, how to open up the eyes of your heart. And did you not know that there are eyes in your heart? We don't just see with these. Come and join us and find out more about seeing with your heart and walking that path. Take care. I'll see you soon.